Ah, thanks to the power of Aecooly, these fans allow me to defy gravity and definitely beat the heat. It's wonderful up here. Nah, I'm kidding. These things can't help me defy gravity. But they are great fans, and they will help you beat the heat. And we're going to be talking about them right after this. Okay, I honestly have to say it's going to be sweater weather over here. I probably could have used these fans a few months ago, or actually a month ago, or actually a few weeks ago. But the thing is, it's good to have a fan around, and if you got a handheld fan, that'll do. So naturally, we're going to be looking at this. And we're going to start with the high-speed fan Aero Pro. So hopefully I can get it to work out of the box. I don't really think there's anything too complicated about this. It says the accessories are included on here. So let's see what accessories are in here before we just simply try it out. That's really buried deep in this box. Hang on a second. As it turns out, they weren't deep in the box. They were actually inside this thing, which I really should have checked out first here. So, okay, we got this nice storage bag, and we have what I believe is a charging cord, which is a USB-A to USB-C, I believe. I don't think that's micro. It's hard to tell just by looking. And then we have, looks like we got all kinds of, got a good lanyard here. That ought to help you out a bunch, as well as the instructions. So, I'm feeling a little hot myself putting on this sweater, and it's actually a little bit hotter outside than I thought it was going to get today. So, let's see what happens when we just kind of turn it on. Can we just do that? Apparently we can. Oh yeah, that's the cool stuff. Ooh, yeah. I'm feeling so cool. I don't know how cool I'm gonna get. Yeah, anyway. Oh, okay. That feels super cool. There's a switch on the back here. Ah, that's a high setting. Well, if you don't mind disturbing people around you with the noise, you get yourself some nice... This would be super good on a hot day, anytime you get to that 100-degree weather, which sometimes I get around here, even in Washington State in the summertime. You still get hot days. I wonder how my mic is picking this up. I better not worry about that. Anyway, so this is the Aero Pro. Maybe we should look at this one, which is the Aero Ultra. This one's got a price tag of about $24.99, marked down from $29.99. Again, seems like every time I review something, I got varying prices on this. I swear, I think I only get products if they're on sale. That would explain some things. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn this off. Oh, I forgot to talk about the settings. I'm seeing, you can actually see this here. It says H2. Oh, okay. So we got 93. High. H2. So yeah, okay, so we got a little bit of an indicator here as far as what this is. I probably should have led with that, but didn't. So yeah, shoot, while I'm here, I might as well thought. Not really seeing any of the things. Okay, there's a smart digital display. Okay, first of all, this is made of aero-grade aluminum, so that's always good. So yeah, and there's this honeycomb airflow intake, and charges via USB-C, and yeah, so we got that. And then, of course, the lanyard hole down here. 2H mode, and so it comes in like 4P mode and 2H mode. Oh, that's odd. I wonder what that... Oh, P mode, and then there's high mode. You know what? I'm gonna check something out here. Okay, let's click it to that mode. We switch it. Okay. Yeah, we got P2, P3, P4. Okay, this obviously can do quite a bit. Discovery is an awesome thing, isn't it? All right. Okay, so now that we reviewed the Aero Pro, let's review the Aero Ultra. That's right. Check this out. Okay, so we got this thing right here, and I'm going to pop it out. Oh, I just pulled the tab like right out of there. Whoops. All right, okay. That did not pull up as easy as I thought it should have been. This is really trapped here. Cut. Okay, for some reason the Ultra decided to come with this sheath. And I'm about to check on the accessories to make sure that they aren't any different. It has a lanyard, bag, charging cord, and instructions. I think that's pretty for sure the same that we've got here. So, can this do anything different? I don't know, can it? I'm gonna check this out. out. So it's got kind of a, all right, I want to see, for example, if it's got, okay, forgot to talk about the high-speed battery capacity, 45 milliampere hour here, no? Really, it's smaller in size than most of these fan things? I don't know. Maximum wind speed of 11 minute per second, I guess? Meter per second? I don't know. It's a stat. Well, we're going to get into stats when we do the report on this thing. So, yeah. Basically, they like to compare this to how small it is. I'm just going to turn this on. Let's see what we're going with. Okay, and I talked about the display here. Let's just turn it on. Okay, got a 94 display. Obviously, we're in the P mode. Because I think, let's see if we go to the P4, P2, P3, P4, and then back to start. So, feels pretty cool. Not bad. Is it cooler than the other one? Maybe? I don't know. I mean, honestly, maybe I'm just not the good... Maybe I'm not the person that really needs to talk about cool, okay? Look at how I'm dressed. Anyway, so... Alright, but I do like this thing. I'm going to switch it to the other mode. So we get... Okay, now we're in high. And then H2. Okay, that's as high as it gets. And that's pretty... I mean, it's doing its job cooling you. You know, this reminds me of... Oh, there's even an H3. Wow. Okay, so that is a bit of an ultra. Okay, it goes up to H3. You know what this reminds me of? You know when you're on an airplane, they got those little nozzles up there, and they kind of like spray down the air for you because they know that you're suffering there, stuff like that. I always wondered about those nozzles there. I always wondered, like, are those actually affecting the plane? You know, I mean, it's kind of like if you turn down all those nozzles at once at full power, would the plane go up a little more? Because it's like, you know, it won't, but you know, okay, this is a stupid bit. Anyway, so I definitely like the color of this thing, but of course it comes in many colors, and we'll talk about that when we get to our article and stuff like that. Let's get to the price. Once again, I'm getting two prices here. I'm seeing it at $29.99 or at highest $34.99. Not a bad price to pay for the price of cool. But hey, so I think that's about all I can say about, is it, man, how do you pronounce it? Aecooly? I think that's how you pronounce it. So, yeah, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.